Hey guys, it's Dell here again with South Central Nebraska Customs, and today we got some snow in Nebraska. Check out the ice cube icicles on the house. It's crazy. It was so windy, all the icicles are blown at an angle. But coming here, the shop, we got it 56 degrees right now. I've been sanding away on the coupe, making a mess, and I've rounded the corner, got this side almost done. Still a few areas to do here, but overall making progress. Oh, and also the ceiling's up, so made an attic spot there and access and insulated, and it was a lot of work, but got it done. My brother helped, and so now it's nice and warm. Heater's kicking butt, and once I get this plywood out of here, which I can do now, I'm gonna be ready to get this thing going. But I just wanted to show you guys this because it is quite the difference between the shop and outside here. Poor truck. Gotta get a paint job on it. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoy this, and one day the future shop will be there, future hot rod shop. But until then, thanks for watching, guys. God bless.